Here at the workplace. Yeah, this afternoon we had a press that went down at 25 after 3. And since this is the second press we've had go down today, I had to get a hydraulic hose made. And so I'm going to go ahead and put it back on for the morning. Goes here and snakes across. Attaches to here. Yeah, it was 25 after 3 and they came and got me and it was spewing hydraulic oil all over the place. It's a mess. The spool valve leaks a little bit. Other than that, it's hot in here. I am going to put this on and get out of here. It is too hot. This is a Lumbermator. This presses nail plates onto roof trusses. It doesn't have to be very tight. It wasn't very tight to begin with. As long as enough it doesn't leak. I've already tightened all that other stuff up at one point or another. I think this is a 13/16. Nope, it's a 7/8. Once again, this one wasn't very tight. I think it's just a return anyway. Alright, it's good. It's ready for first thing in the morning. And here's what I got going on over here. I have this motor all pulled apart. It was a coupler that goes in here. It couples this shaft to this gearbox. And had an insulator. It disintegrated and beat the coupler to pieces. There's part of the coupler right there. There's one of the ears of the insulator. It's in pretty bad shape. I have this ordered. It's supposed to be in first thing in the morning by 10:30. And shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't take no more than 15-20 minutes to put it all back together. Should be good. Oh, here's the other half. It's even worse. This was the insulator. It goes in. Of course, it had ears that stuck out with the teeth of the other half of the coupler engaged with it, and that absorbed a shock between the two. So yeah, it's all disintegrated. You can see that it's beat to pieces, mangled. Okay, well, in this part, this is all supposed to be in first thing in the morning also. So hope I get that going. Anyway, it's time to get out of here. I got that done. It's ready to go for the first thing in the morning. And we're going to get out of here. Okay, thanks for watching.